Hey creators, what if you could turn your ideas into epic videos for free with AI? Microsoft's Bing just dropped a game changer, Bing Video Creator. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's dive in. Microsoft's bringing AI video magic to everyone with Bing Video Creator, powered by OpenAI's Sora model. Free videos from just text prompts? You heard that right. Want the details? Keep watching. Alright, let's get into it. Microsoft Bing just launched Bing Video Creator, a slick new tool that lets you create videos from simple text prompts, all powered by OpenAI's cutting-edge Sora model. And here's the best part. For the first time, Sora's video generation is available for free to anyone with a Microsoft account. Here's how it works. If you're logged into your Microsoft account, you can generate up to 10 video clips at no cost. After that, each video costs 100 Microsoft Rewards points. Don't worry, earning points is easy. Think 5 points per Bing search on PC with a daily cap of 150 points. You can also rack up points through purchases at the Microsoft Store. Now, what kind of videos can you make? Right now, Bing Video Creator pumps out 5-second clips in a 9:16 vertical format, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. You can queue up to 3 videos at a time, but heads up, even in fast mode, it might take a few hours to process. And it's only mobile for now. No desktop access yet. But don't worry, Microsoft's already teasing plans for horizontal 16 to 19 videos soon. One catch: you can't tweak video length yet, so you're locked into 5-second clips. But with free access to start and a reward system to keep going, this is a huge step for creators who want to dip their toes into AI video without breaking the bank. This move puts Microsoft ahead in the Gen AI race, making high-end video creation accessible to everyone. Whether you're a content creator or just want to mess around with AI, Bing Video Creator is about to shake things up. So, are you ready to create viral videos with Bing Video Creator? Will this be the tool that takes your content to the next level? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to know what you're cooking up. If you're pumped for more tech updates, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to join the GadInsider squad.